30 years ago, Russia was on its knees. The Soviet Union had collapsed. The economy imploded. Savings vanished overnight. Life expectancy fell. Factories shut down. Crime exploded. In the late 1990s, Russia wasn't just struggling, it was broken. Many Russians remember that era as one of humiliation, poverty, and chaos. This was the Russia Vladimir Putin inherited in the year 2000. Back then, a handful of oligarchs controlled the nation's wealth. Banks, oil, gas, media, owned by a few men who grew rich while the state grew weak. The government collected little tax. Public salaries went unpaid. The country functioned, but barely. To many Russians, the problem wasn't ideology. It was simple. The country had been sold off. One of Putin's first major moves was what supporters call kicking the money changers out of the temple. He confronted the oligarchs. Some were pushed out. Some were jailed. Others were allowed to stay, on one condition. They served the state, not ruled it. In the West, this was framed very differently. They called it cartel behavior, authoritarianism, even mafia-style control. Fine. Call him the mafia boss if you want. But that leads to the real question. Did it work, or didn't it? Not just on paper. Not just in statistics. But in reality. By the mid-2000s, Russia had stabilized. Debt was paid down. Foreign reserves grew. Infrastructure returned. Wages and pensions were paid, on time. For ordinary Russians, daily life stopped feeling like free fall. Compare Russia in 2026 to Russia in 2000. They barely resemble each other. Modern cities. Expanded transport systems. Energy dominance. A state that functions, whether you agree with its politics or not. By some economic measures like purchasing power, Russia now rivals, or even exceeds, several Western European economies. Not perfect. Not free of corruption. But undeniably transformed. So love him or hate him, the outcome is hard to ignore. The Russia Putin took over was collapsing. The Russia that exists today is something else entirely. The debate isn't what he is. The debate is simple. Did it work? For millions of Russians, the answer is obvious.